Assalamualaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you? I hope you are all well at home. So, welcome back to my mathematics class 2, chapter 9, My Funding. This is the last part, students. As I told you in my previous video, that I'm going to explain you some CW exercise regarding your chapter number 9, right? So, in my last video, I have complete textbook work of chapter number 9. So, now I'm going to explain you some CW exercise regarding chapter number 9. So let's see, students.
Okay, students, so chapter 9 regarding now CW exercise, but this one is the fill in the blanks which we already discussed, that how many weeks in a, how many days in a week means 7 days, how many months in the year, so 12 months, first day of the week, last day of the week, right? That we are discussing in a textbook starting of this lesson, right? Then we also seen about the months, that how many months, so 12 months, which month came. Okay, students, so then also about the months, that which month came before this month, April means March, after October, so November, right? And this month has 28 or 29 days. So students, that also we have discussed, that few months are there, having 7 months were there, having 31 days, while the 4 months having 30 days, right? And February is different. February is the shortest month of the year, right? Why? Because February having either 28 or 29 days. So here your answer is February. Then also students, we have discussed about the leap year also. Leap year we consider the month having in the year, February month having 29 days, that year we are going to consider as a leap year. And leap year will having 366 days, right? Generally this thing also we have discussed, that generally in the year total 365 days, but leap year having 366 days. So this all the exercise we have discussed in our CW, right? Now students, I am going to explain you the next is about the calendar. So students, here it is given calendar of a January, right? 2018 or 19. Okay, but students, in your CW I have given you example of October 2021, which month is going on right now, right? That exercise I am given here. Students, first you have to complete this, remaining dates are missing, can you see? So first you have to complete this month of January by writing the missing dates like this way, right? If it is missing, then if it is given, then no issue, don't have to write down it, but if it is missing, so you have to complete it. 27, 28, 29, 30 and the 31. Now students, here next question, color the Sundays with a red, means we have to Sundays coloring with the red color. Now students, as I given you in CW, that all the dates which is having a holiday is mentioned with the red color. Have you seen a calendar? आप सबने कैलेंडर्स देखा है जिसमें आप सबको पता है हॉलीडेज होती है ना हमारी, तो वो रेड कलर से लिखी हुई होती है वो डेट्स. तो आप चाहो तो स्टूडेंट सारे संडेज की जो डेट्स है ना वो रेड कलर से लिख सकते हो, और एल्स इफ़ यू वांट टू फील कलर इन इट रेड लाइक दिस, यू कैन फील इट. अगर आपको इसके अंदर पूरा ऐसे रेड कलर फील करना है आप वैसे भी कर सकते हो, सिर्फ आपको डेट्स रेड कलर से लिखनी है तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ ऑन विच डे डज दिस मंथ बिगिन, बिगिन यानी स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कौन से दिन से हमारा मंथ स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस मंथ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डेट, एंड फर्स्ट डेट विच इज ऑन अ मंडे. सो दिस मंथ इज स्टार्ट और बिगिन विद द डे ऑफ मंडे. ओके, एंड ऑन विच डे डज द नेक्स्ट मंथ बिगिन, यानी कौन से दिन से हमारा नेक्स्ट मंथ स्टार्ट होगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर यू कैन सी ऑन द 31st वेयर दिस मंथ इज एंडिंग, एंड 31st इज ऑन अ वेडनेसडे, मीन्स ये मंथ कौन से दिन को एंड हो रहा है, वेडनेसडे को, मीन्स नेक्स्ट मंथ विल बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट डे, मीन्स विच डे, ऑन द थर्सडे. सो नेक्स्ट मंथ विल बिगिन फ्रॉम द थर्सडे. ओके, now which date is on third Friday. So students, here all the Fridays given, this one first Friday, second Friday and third Friday. So on third Friday, which date is this, 19th January. So here 19th January, right? How many Mondays are there in the given month? Mondays कितने हैं? So here your Mondays were there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total how many? 5 Mondays were there. Then what is the name of next month? Students, so if January is going on and in your textbook, in your CW exercise I have sent October. So if October is going on, so what would be next? That would be November. And if it is here given January, means next would be February. And what is the name of the previous month? Previous यानी उससे पहले, यानी January से पहले. So which month before January? That is December, right? और आपको मैंने October CW में दिया है. So before October means previous October, which month? Which is your September, right? Now, which day is on the 8th of January? 8 January को कौन सा दिन है students here? Monday. Which day? So Monday. And on which day does this month end? यानी कौन से दिन को ये महीना end हो रहा है? So here 31st will be the end of the date of this month, and 31st which is on the Wednesday. So your answer is Wednesday, right? And which date is on 4th Monday? 4th Monday को कौन सी date है? So here is your Mondays. First Monday, second Monday, third Monday, fourth Monday. So on fourth Monday which date? 22nd January. Clear everyone? Question answer from the calendar. Now students, regarding this exercise, that observe the following timetable in this given timetable. Homework of a class day wise given. Answer the following questions. So students, in our textbook we have seen also कि class का पूरा timetable दिया था second A. Do you remember? In it we have to find out that on which day games period were there, then drawing period, then music period, right? ऐसा दिया था ना. अब यहाँ पे हमें ऐसा टाइम टेबल दिया है. Here the day wise which subjects homework given, like on Monday English EVS, on Tuesday Maths Hindi, on Wednesday Computer EVS, Thursday Maths English, Friday Hindi Computer, and on Saturday GK Drawing and the Maths. These are the subjects homework given day wise. Okay, first question, on which days होमवर्क ऑफ मैथ्स गिवन, यानी कौन से दिन को मैथ्स का होमवर्क दिया जाता है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हियर मैथ्स, देन हियर. सो मैथ्स होमवर्क गिवन ऑन ट्यूसडे एंड द सैटरडे. सो योर आंसर इज ट्यूसडे एंड द सैटरडे, राइट? ऑन थर्सडे इज ऑल्सो देयर. कैन यू सी here, right? So Tuesday, Thursday and the Saturday. Then on which day homework of GK and drawing given, कौन से दिन को GK और drawing का homework दिया जाता है? So students, where is here? GK and drawing given on a Saturday. So your answer is Saturday. So here you can write down answer Saturday. Okay, now which subjects homework given on Monday? Monday को कौन कौन से subject का homework दिया जाता है? So English and the EVS. Which subjects homework given on Wednesday? Wednesday को कौन से subject का homework दिया जाता है? So on Wednesday Computer and the EVS, right? Now on which day homework of 3 subjects given? 3 subjects का homework कौन से दिन को दे रहा है? So students, here you can see all the days having 2 subjects. Only here 1, 2 and 3 subjects homework given, which is on the Saturday. So your answer is Saturday, right? Now which subject homework is given on the day after Thursday? After Thursday यानी Thursday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? Friday. और Friday को कौन सा होमवर्क दिया जाता है? हिंदी एंड कंप्यूटर. सो योर आंसर इज हिंदी एंड द कंप्यूटर. एंड विच होमवर्क इज गिवन ऑन द डे बिफोर ट्यूसडे? बिफोर ट्यूसडे यानी ट्यूसडे से पहले. ट्यूसडे से पहले कौन सा दिन होता है? मंडे. एंड ऑन मंडे विच सब्जेक्ट होमवर्क गिवन? इंग्लिश एंड ईवीएस. सो योर आंसर इज इंग्लिश एंड द ईवीएस. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Next exercise students, here match the following. Means students, here the name of festival given and we have to match the festival which came in the months, right? So for test students, you should know the dates of that month, dates of that festivals की dates पता हो ना, तो आप लोग उसको पता कर सकते हो, तो उससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि वो कौन से मंथ में है, right? For example, Diwali. So students, Diwali generally came in the October month and the November. In this year Diwali would be on November, है ना, हमारे ये साल में नवंबर में आने वाली है, right? So generally Diwali came in the month of October and the November. So means first A you have to match with the number 4 October and November. Then Gandhi Jayanti. Students याद रहे गांधी जयंती came on 2nd October. कौन से दिन को होती है? 2nd October को, यानी कौन से मंथ में आती है गांधी जयंती? October month, right? So that means you have to match Gandhi Jayanti with the month of October, right? Then Christmas. Christmas came on 25th of December, right? Christmas कौन से डेट को आता है? 25th December means Christmas came in the month of December, right? So we have to match Christmas with the December, right? Now students, next is Independence Day. So students, Independence Day came on 15th August. कौन से महीने में आता है फिर वो? अगस्त में, 15th August. So Independence Day we have to match with the month of August. Okay, then Republic Day. So students, Republic Day came on 26th of January. 26th of January means Republic Day came on the month of January. So here we have to match Republic Day with the month of January. Clear? Then Children's Day. Students, remember Children's Day came on 14th of November. Which month? On 14th November. Children's Day came on 14th November. So means we have to match Children's Day with the month of November, right? And the summer vacation. So in which month you are getting summer vacation? In the month of May. Clear everyone? So in the May we will get the summer vacation. Clear everyone? Understood? Okay, now students, next exercise is classify the following as per months having 31 days and 30 days. So students, here you can see months having 31 days and months having 30 days, right? So students, हमें जो month में that already I'll explain you that you in the which month having 31 days or 30 days, right? So let's start. First of all, January. So January having 31 days, February having 28 or 29 days, March having 31, April having 30, May having 31, June having 30, July having 31, August having again 31, September having 30, October having 31, November having 30 and December having 31. So here I have mentioned according to the months having the number of days. Now students, अब जो month में 31 है ना, वो सारे हमें यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. Months having 31 days. So here January, March, May, July, August, October, December. So January, March, May, July, August, October, December. These are the months having 31 days. And now 30 days. So here April, June, then September, November. So April, June, September and the November. Now students, February we didn't write it. Why? Because we have to only mention only either 31 or 30. But February having 28 or 29 days, right? February में ना 31 days होते हैं, ना ही 30. इसलिए इन दोनों में से कहीं पे नहीं आएगा. So February we don't have to mention in any column as February having only 28 or 29 days. That's why. Clear everyone? अंडरस्टूड, इसीलिए फेब्रुआरी हमने यहाँ पे से किसी भी जगह पे नहीं लिखा. सो आई होप एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्लासिफाइंग द मंथ्स हैविंग 31 days or 30 days. Understood? Okay students, so here I have complete your chapter number 9 My Fun Day. यहाँ पे हमारा chapter number 9 My Fun Day finish, right? I have explained your textbook, all the works also and CW exercise also. Now in the next I will inshallah start a new lesson. मैं next new lesson start करूँगी. Okay so
Okay, students, so here I have complete your chapter number 9, My Fun Day. Inshallah, in my next video, I will start new lesson. Okay, so students, complete your all the CW work which we are provide you PDF in a group. Okay, keep your CWs complete. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz, students.